It's time to learn Nollie nose manuals with Desmond Hoosty. Nollie nose manuals are all about balance. Like with most manual tricks, you want to practice this and learn this really good on flat first. You're going to pop your nollie, land on your front wheels, keeping your back wheels from touching, and roll away. Foot placement for this trick is really important. Your front foot is going to be right on your nose for a nollie. Your back foot is just behind your back truck bolts in the center of your board. Once you've got this comfortable on flat, you're going to try them up curbs and ledges. As you're approaching the ledge, it's really important to get a nice clean nollie. You want to get your front wheels over and your back wheels. Keeping your body centered, you're going to land on your front wheels only. So staying over your board, staying balanced is key. As you're rolling in your nose manual, you're going to be approaching the lip and the end of the trick. You want to pop just a little bit or push, just enough to keep your back wheels from touching. You're going to land all four wheels at the same time, nice and clean. That is a Nollie nose manual.